Hey guys, Mike here, and this is the Black&Decker 12 cup programmable coffee maker. Let's jump right in. Alright, it says fast brew, 2 minutes. That is incredible. Let's check on the side. 12 cup programmable. Awesome. Has a blue LED, digital for programming your clock and tell what time it is. Make sure you're not late. And we have our standard round filter system, and in the back is where we put the water. So let's get it out the box. Alright, here we go. Have our nice glass, and we have a lot of stainless steel on the sides, the bottom, at the top. Let's put our glass here. So this brews in 2 minutes. And as always, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.